here to Robert Castle's. We'll check out what he's got right quick. It's like a 60s El Camino type off back in there. Pretty decent. Suburban. This is more than likely his boneyard. Ford pick 'em up. Got a nice little Ford right here. About 37. Should have that. That's clamped over there or something like that. Firebug parts. We got me a Mustang. One looks like so 71, 72, something like that. Pretty nice. Yeah. The red's ready to go. It's stacks on it. It's pretty nice. Now it's a labor of love, I'm sure, but she's beautiful. That. Nice. Nice. How you doing, buddy? Elkie. This is the man himself. How you doing, man?
Hey, Robert Castel.
Robert Castle, Thomas Martin. Nice to meet you, man. Yes, sir. We're just checking you out today. We're gonna put your name out there. Oh, hi. How you doing? Damn it, boy. You got my love right here. That's it. That's all I need in life. Go 3-window. We're looking at a 32 Chevy 3-window. Really, really nice condition for its age, for being a Chevy especially. We're gonna call her Fat Sally. He's been doing some work to it, but looks like it's still a future project rat rod right now. Got an LS in it with a cam, he said. He cut all the Chevy front end up stuff and redid it all. It's nice. I wish you'd sell it to me. All right. Ain't nobody here. Yes, that's a Dodge Charger. I think that's a Challenger. Some Roadrunners or GTXs. I'll come back to them right quick. Pinto. Couple of Thunderbirds. Cadillac. A Lincoln. Smashed up Plymouth right here. check out this charger and stuff right quick. Not too bad a shape, huh? That one I think is a Challenger, if I do remember right. I'm not gonna pull the guy's tarp off though. Plymouth 383. I don't know if these are Roadrunners or satellites. Well, this one's a satellite. That one might be a Roadrunner. This one definitely is a Roadrunner. And this one's a Roadrunner too. 383 cars. Doesn't look like they have any motors. So he went fishing instead of, well, he got what he had to get done today, I'm sure done, and he went fishing. Guys, look at this 1969 Camaro Z-28 4x4. Came out of Louisiana, he said. And it is something else. Bright orange. Looks like it's mainly original car. Back seat and everything. Got these racing seats in it. 4x4. Not sure if it's something I would do to a Camaro, but it definitely is different. Over here at Jason Abel's, it's a client's of his. He's touching up this quarter panel. Well, I just want to give y'all a look at it right quick. Thought it was something special. Over here at my buddy's house, checking out his Chevelle. He still ain't came out the house. He just got this one, picked it up. Short bed fleet side. Does have the hood. Chevelle's pretty nice.